Hello guys and welcome to another UK Card Club card review video. Today we're going to be looking at the bicycle seconds. Now, for those of you that aren't familiar, the seconds are essentially print errors, slight misalignments, slight print errors, and they're sold cheaper than usual due to the fact that obviously they have print errors. I have a brick of these, and I've never really opened them to find out what makes them a second. Now, I don't know what designs are on here either because you can't see what the back design is. I'm going to presume it's standards. So I have some standards here so I can compare. But yeah, I'm not entirely sure. What makes a second, you know, why didn't it make the cut? Now, I've dealt with companies before that sell sort of mismanufactured or slightly misshapen, slightly, for some reason, not quite up to scratch product. And there's been some companies where I've bought stuff from in that category and I couldn't notice a flaw. Now, some people are really, really picky. And by that, I don't mean consumers or customers. I mean the people that manufacture it. They're so proud of their product that they're not willing to sell a second. They're not willing to sell a product with a manufacturing fault. And also, people's level of what is a print error may be considerably different. I may not even be able to notice these print errors, or it may be blatantly obvious. So we're going to have a look and crack in. So on both sides we have this same design here, but this side has the United States Playing Card Company information, this side doesn't. Playing card seconds, Cincinnati, Ohio, blah blah blah. Bicycle seconds, 7808. I'm going to try and get in here. Let's have a look. So bicycle, get in the game. Poker hands information, great. Jokers, no issue with that. Let me just crack these open. I did break the seal and no real difference. No real difference. Apart from these being upside down. Different, but I don't see a massive difference. Again, no real differences there. Let me just have a look through. So, looks fine. Nothing obvious. Just feel the stock. Similar stock. It all looks square to me. Doesn't look skewed or off center. Yeah, I mean, these are standard decks, so the faces are nothing for me to explain, really. Let's have a look at the backs. It's hard to tell. If anything, the official deck is actually more off center than the seconds. If you have a look here, see the border's bigger along the top edge here and also on this edge compared to this edge and the bottom edge, so that whole section is pushed across. Now I know these ones that are sold in bigger bricks with the gold, they are usually the best ones, but the seconds one looks better. The borders are more even. I can't see a problem with this. I can see a problem with this. I wonder if these are all off center. They are. Bigger this end, smaller this end. This sort of moved from here down to the right a little bit, which is so strange. I don't know which deck these are from. So these are, right, so these are from these ones. Get these out of the way. Put these all to one side. So the seconds, I can't see a fault. So I'm going to sort of bring this up and sort of hold it here so anyone who's got a keen eye can tell me what exactly the issue is here. These are better than the standards that I have. They're not off coloured. They're not like not greyed or yellowed or a bit strange. Just trying to break this deck in a little bit. Yeah, I mean, they all look cut pretty perfectly. I can't see an error. Now, I don't know whether back at 14 years ago the United States Playing Card Company were doing smaller runs of other cards and they were more picky. I don't know, but they seem fine. They handle fine. The indices are a good distance away from the corners. Yeah, I really don't know. As I said, if anything, these are better than the standards that I have here. Genuinely have no idea. And in my honest opinion, I would rather buy these than these. Judging on the... oh, wait a minute. I think maybe I can see the issue now. Let's take one card. It looks slightly thinner on this edge than it is on this edge. Yeah, definitely. This is a standard deck, and it's definitely thinner on these two edges than it is these two. I think the issues are more obvious with this deck than they are with that one. So, are seconds worth getting? Absolutely. Cheaper. Very, very much usable. Same handling. It's just aesthetics, and unless you're really bothered by that, or you're using these to make gaff cards, that could be an issue. If you need to cut it out and it needs to be exact in like a certain position on the back of the card, fair enough. But absolutely nothing wrong with them. So there you have it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you next time when we'll be reviewing something else. Take care.